Well, good morning, tubers. Well, I got the boiled linseed oil squirted in there, and then rivets put in to block the holes. Of course, there's one in every tube. I'm just showing you two. Anyways, and it's mounted on the engine. I think I'll probably have to take this coil off and clearance it a little bit around the top like I did this one, although it's still not a whole lot of clearance, but it is missing. So, and the starter should still go on. Let me try that. Hang on there. Yepper, the starter goes on with plenty of clearance. So now I need to take these nuts off and put steel lock nuts on there instead of just plain nuts. I wish I had wish I could drill those for cotter pins or safety pins, whatever. Anyways, we'll see what happens there, but then be ready to go back on there. Hopefully permanent. Don't know about throttle linkage yet. If I'm gonna have to end up moving this, which boy I hope not, or what. So that'll be a future video. So there you go, and God bless.